Hey there guys, MasterLuki16 here, back again with another video, and it's another curbside goodie. This is a Lakewood 200i 90s box fan. There was also another one with the more cheaper blades that got rid of these blades, but found this on the curb while I was about to go out, and I can't just let these things go to waste because they're vintage and you see, the reason why these were getting so rare is because of people just throwing them out into the trash, waiting to be thrown out into a dumpster pile, like a whole entire garbage pile. And so I thought I could save it. Now the fan's in decent condition, but it does need to be it does need cleaning. Blade 2. Took the handle off, and the frame seems to be intact so far with hardly any rust, but the only thing rusty is the bottom here. And I feel like giving it a little bit of a glow up because it's my stuff and I can pretty much do whatever I want with it. So I thought I could spray paint this, but I'll let you decide in the comments. Well, no, in a community post if you want me to do a spray paint on the frame or not to make it a little more lively. Oh yeah, and the thing that's wrong with it is that the back of the frame, is severely damaged, and it's look at this. It's just like all brittle. You see, it needs all look at this. It's all brittle. It needs a whole new frame, and I don't know where to find these because you know and the motor's a little pretty dusty, so I'm gonna have to clean that as well. So would be cool if I can find the rear side of this panel here. But anyways, it also does work. Just took the knob off, and I was just getting started on cleaning it. But give me a sec. I'll the knob real quick. Knob does work, but it's a little flaky. I'll give it a quick test for you. And here it is on high. Medium. Oh yeah, and the front. Oh yeah, and the front panel is a little warped. Must have been sitting out in the sun for a little while. And here is low. And yeah. So I'll leave a little community post on if you want me to spray paint the frame or not. And I'll see you when this fan gets cleaned. See you guys.